One word that describes Bharat Jetani is commitment.
Calm and very composed.
Shining light, I believe.
Incredible. A great human being.
Patient. Great personality.
Content.
Silent motivator.
Bharat is light.
He's a very clear communicator.
One word I would use for you, Bharat Jetani, is inspiring.
You know, the best gift that you can have in your life is knowing your why, the whole purpose of your existence. And I thank Bharat for this priceless gift.
You have been like a guru to me. In fact, nothing less than Krishna coming into Arjuna's life. I have at least learned how to put my why into my practice. I have changed and rebranded Deep Roots Design. We are more working towards it as a team now. I seem to be connecting better with my staff and my team.
I would call you my personal GPS. Not only have you given me direction, but also mentored me. You are still mentoring me to achieve direction, to channelize my skills so that my life is enriched.
Bharat is such a wonderful human being, and he has created this amazing community which has helped me and has taught me how to build stronger relationships.
Bharat has really helped me as a mentor is to really find out my why, to convey it to people and connect with them, as well as keep going when things are not going so well.
I have joined Ascentive because of you. You have been a constant support to me during my journey, post all the things which have happened in my life.
Bharat to me is like a mentor and guide for my journey when I started off as an entrepreneur after I relocated from Dubai to Mumbai.
You have been amazing, incredible, bringing me back on track. It's really, really amazing to have you in my life as a coach.
Thank you for teaching me how to define and categorize each daily activity, give it priority, give it the right time, and change what I'm doing to make it more successful.
Learning to create value and meaningful relationships is the biggest thing I've learned from Bharat.
I became part of Ascentive Group 2 years back when I attended Bharat's behavioral style workshop for the very first time, and where I learned how to deal with various kind of people with different behavioral styles.
I would take this opportunity to thank Bharat for all the guidance he has provided.
You have been an amazing torch bearer for me throughout my exploration journey.
Bharat is always available whenever you want him. He is very helpful. He has resolved so many issues in my business whenever I need him.
Bharat, you've helped me so much in my business in trying to get my priorities right. And every time that I was stuck on the next step, you've helped me in every possible way, as well as leading by example. So thank you so much.
When I was at the rock bottom, dealing with some turbulence in my life, and was absolutely clueless about my next move or action, there came a hand in form of Bharat Jetani, who did not only held my hand but also guided me towards the path of success, growth and happiness.
To me, you have been like a lighthouse, standing tall and calm, and helping me find my vision and working towards it. And you always motivate me to develop and build strong relationship, whether with my family members or my clients or the other community members.
So Bharat has been that guiding light I've been searching for many years, and he's always there like a pillar for me and my company.
What I have learned from Bharat is relationship marketing. So it sounds very underrated, but when he gives a formula to implement it, and when we start implementing it, and then we realize that how powerful it is.
would really like to wish Bharat a very, very happy birthday and a great year ahead.
I want to wish you immense success, immense prosperity, and may you expand your reach of helping entrepreneurs around the country. May your generosity spread all the 4 directions.
I hope you have loads of success and happiness in the coming years.
On his birthday today, I wish him more power and more energy so that he can create more such successful entrepreneurs in their journey.
May you get everything that you desire, that you deserve, and that you work hard for.
Have a blast on your birthday. Happy birthday.
What I would like to wish you on your birthday is that your dream about the Ascentive community comes true and you get to visit England to see the soccer game.
May you have a wonderful year ahead, and while growing the Ascentive community to its great.
What I wish for you on your birthday is that you are able to touch 10,000 lives soon.
Bharat continues to grow and flower as a coach so that he helps different entrepreneurs grow in different ways, making him India's Simon Sinek is my wish for him.
I wish Bharat all the very best, and I wish that this year he could achieve his dream of conducting workshop in front of 1,000 people.
I wish him loads of success, and the way Ascentive community is growing, it's all because of his efforts, constant efforts, 24/7, 365 days a year.
What I wish for Bharat is all the luck, all the success, all his dreams come true from now and forever. So wish him all the luck.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Bharat sir.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, and thanks for being there.
I wish Bharat only the best to achieve his goals. Happy birthday, Guruji.
On his birthday, I wish him that he should achieve his vision 2025 before that, and I would make the video for him.
Happy birthday, Bharat. आपके बर्थडे पर हार्दिक अभिनंदन, ताकि रफ्तार से आपका और हमारा टारगेट एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी बनाने का जो सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को उनके गोल्स और विजन तक ले जाए, पूरा हो.
Hi Bharat!
Hello Bharat!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday dear Bharat!
Happy birthday to you!
Have a great day!
Have a great day. Bye bye!